Alright, so this is Scooter.
What up, y'all?
Hold up, it's Scooter. He's got his orange bike. White wall tires, it's pretty boss. Yeah. He's one of the best on our team, on our Minnesota Kills team, crew. This is Cotton Candy.
So
My bad.
guys, Cotton Candy here.
This is his bike. My favorite part of his bike is the pink grips. He does it like a man. Yep. Got that. Crank. Pegs. Here, hold this. Do me. Alright, I'm Big Blue. This is Steve. I got 3-piece crank. Yep. Blue handlebars, or blue grips, blue seat. The Zach 30 rims. And then we're going over to Blue Monster. He's got his Haro. What kind of Haro is it again? 300.2. 300.2. He's just a beginner. Yeah, this is the bike. He's got some nice handlebars, nice wide handlebars. We're going over here to Hyper. This is Hyper. That's Blue Monster. Forgot to show you him. But yeah, Hyper Bike Co. He got his stuff. Small crank. Nice chain. Really nice handlebars. I like these handlebars. Over here to Highrise. This is Highrise right here. He's got some nice white pegs.
Plastic pegs.
G-Sport plastic. Got a white chain. Going with the pegs. 3-piece crank. Black label seat.
Miracle Bell.
Yep. You can see that.
Miracle Bell.
Yep.
Black label stem.
Black label stem.
Is in color.
And then everyone get in the water.
That's the only thing I like about it.
That's our crew, that's Minnesota Kills. Here they are one more time. We got Scooter, Cotton Candy, Big Blue, that's me. Blue Monster, Hyper, and Highrise. Alright, that's us. We're Minnesota Kills.